Hello everyone, my name is Phi Long and I'm from class 783, Hoàng Mai Secondary School. Do you know that nowadays many people in an adult age or in teenager's age are using AI to do things like doing homework for a teenager or doing company's work, office work for an adult. So AI is an important tool that can help us do things more accurately, faster and easier. But therefore, can AI replace human? That is a very difficult question. So in my opinion, I don't think AI can completely replace human because first of all, we can be creative, like we can invent more new things, like interesting things, fantastic things, like more invention about technology, art or music, but AI cannot do it. So that is the first reason. This is the second reason. So we have emotions. We can feel happiness, we can feel love, we can feel sadness, while AI cannot do. And these things is very important when we are in the job like teaching or carrying paintings, and many jobs. So in conclusion, I don't think AI can replace human, but AI is also playing an important role in our life. So human and AI should work together to make our life better. Thank you for listening.